My name is Agada Emmanuel. I am the spokesperson of Judiciary Watchdogs. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a member of the press. It is an honor and privilege for me to address this media conference at this point in time. If you permit me, I would like to commence. It has become pertinent and sacrosanct that our esteemed organization, the judiciary, the watchdogs, address the world on the continuous erosion of the independence of the judiciary and the inability of the hallowed temple of justice to dispense justice in recent times without fear or favor. As an organization of lawyers saddled with the solemn responsibility of advocating for the complete independence of the judiciary, we are miffed by the alleged flagrant intrusion of the executive arm of government, which has not allowed the justice to be obtained or travailed in our court rooms today. The inconsistencies that mar the recent decisions of our court at different levels regarding the ongoing electoral matters has further called to question the place of the age-long and established legal principle of stare decisis. Stare decisis usually is the court and the ability of the court to follow and establish decisions of court in matters. In our court proceedings, the legal professions embodies an established culture of consistency of procedures and applications of laws. The recent judgment of the Court of Appeal that purported the sack of the elected governor of Kano State, by name Abba Yusuf, has become unimaginably scandalous, having come at the behest of many incurable inconsistencies that some persons may arguably pin to a predetermined end to remove the governor at all costs, even at the expenses of the will and the aspirations of an overwhelming majority of Kano State who voted him in 2019 and again in 2023. It is shocking that despite the recent judgment of the Supreme Court, when the membership of the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, GCO, in the Labour Party was called to question that the membership of a party was an internal affair of the party, the Court of Appeal on Friday predate its sack of the governor of Kano State, Abba Yusuf, on his now being nominated by his party, the New Nigerian People's Party, NNPP, noting that he was not a member of the party. When has our hallowed temple of justice started reprobating and probating? It has become an issue. And these questions begs for an answer in the lips of every Nigerian regarding the political development in Kano State and Nigeria at large. The greatest of all the scandals that trade the ruling in the Kano State government appeal was the conflicting conclusions that was contained in the 72-page judgment of the Court of Appeal panel that sat over the case. While we have already written a letter to the Nigerian Judicial Commission, NJC, to investigate the circumstances surrounding the conflicting conclusions, we wish also to use this platform to express our displeasure and our utmost despair as lawyers on the new law activities. Such actions has dragged the bench to the lowest conclusion. As young lawyers, we look to the future. Our struggle is for the older folks to bequeath to us a legal profession that still commands respect and the trust of the Nigerian citizens. Minding you, the popular legal palace, and the belief that the judiciary is always the hope of the common man. And the reference of the word, a judiciary that dispenses justice without fear nor favor. It is on the above basis that we have reason to raise this alarm that if the profession continues on this path, it will soon lose its essence and the trust of every common man and Nigerians at large. The future will be bleak, and the world might soon pick stones against all of us. Finally, it is our hope and prayers that the apex court, which is the highest court in the land, comes to the rescue of the legal profession in Nigeria by thoroughly dealing with all the appeals arising from the 2023 electoral contest, particularly that of Kano, Zamfara, Nasarawa, and Plateau State, so that justice will not only be seen to have been done, but manifestly done. We thank you all, and God bless you.